Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up reporting investments in FreeTaxUSA, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up reporting investments in FreeTaxUSA, start by logging into your FreeTaxUSA account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the income section. Look for the option that says investment income within this section. Click on it to begin entering your investment details. Next, you'll need to choose the type of investment you are reporting. Options may include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or other investment types. Select your investment type to proceed. If applicable, enter the name of the investment or the company. Next, input the purchase date of the investment. Make sure to record the number of shares or units you owned. Enter the purchase price for each share or unit. Now, move on to the sale details if you sold the investment during the tax year. Input the sale date of the investment. Next, enter the sale price for each share or unit. FreeTaxUSA will automatically calculate your gain or loss based on the information you provided. If you received any dividends or interest from the investment, make sure to report those as well. Look for a section to input any dividends or interest earned. Provide the total amount received during the tax year. If you have multiple investments, repeat these steps for each one. After you have entered all investments, double-check your inputs for accuracy. Once confirmed, continue to the next section to review your overall tax obligations. Make sure to save your changes before exiting the investment section. Once completed, you're ready to proceed with the rest of your tax return. Follow any additional prompts to finalize and submit your return. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.